Michigan's Great Lakes provide 10,000 miles of freshwater coastline. There are over 26,260 inland lakes and about 120 major rivers in Michigan. The effective implementation of a soil erosion and sedimentation control or construction stormwater program improves the ability to properly manage construction sites and other earth change activities. Earth change activities may result in an increase of soil erosion and sedimentation, which, without proper planning, permitting, and inspecting, can have a negative impact on the quality of our state's water resources.
If you have a job that involves the planning, permitting, or inspecting of soil erosion projects, training is probably required. Today we are going to explain the difference between construction stormwater operator training and the soil erosion and sedimentation control plan review and design training, also known as SESC. You may be required to complete these trainings for your specific job. Depending on what your role is, this training video will assist you to determine the type of training which you need or may want to obtain. Whether you are conducting inspections on a construction site or you are reviewing SESC plans for an enforcing agency, training is required. Construction sites that are over 1 acre in size with a point source of discharge to surface waters of the state must be inspected by a certified construction stormwater operator weekly and within 24 hours of a storm event that results in runoff from the site. If you will be inspecting construction sites over 1 acre in size with a point source discharge to the waters of the state, you will need to obtain the Construction Stormwater Operator Training.
The Natural Resources and Environmental Protection Act addresses soil erosion and sedimentation control in Part 91, and it requires that all counties designate a department to enforce SCSE regulations. Other municipalities may elect to administer Part 91 in their jurisdiction. County and municipal enforcing agencies are responsible for reviewing permit applications and SCSE plans to ensure that they meet the state-required minimum standard. Enforcing agencies also have the responsibility of conducting adequate SCSE inspections of the permitted sites. Authorized public agencies are responsible for meeting plan requirements and inspecting their own construction projects, but are not required to obtain a permit.
Enforcing agencies and authorized public agencies are required to have a minimum of 1 staff member trained in SESC plan review and design who has passed the exam. All construction stormwater and SESC inspections must be conducted by a staff member who has passed the Construction Stormwater Operator exam. However, those inspectors cannot review or approve plans without being trained and certified. It is important to understand that the Construction Stormwater Operator training is a prerequisite to the SESC Plan Review and Design training. Therefore, you must take and pass the Construction Stormwater Operator exam prior to being able to obtain your SESC certificate.
One last thing to consider. If you are contracted to create SESC plans for authorized public agencies or permittees, you are not required by the DEQ to have SESC training. However, it is highly beneficial and may prevent revisions. After taking the training, you will understand the specific plan requirements under Part 91. The person creating the plan should have a general understanding of topography and the nature of stormwater runoff in order to recommend efficient and appropriate control measures in proper locations. This minimizes erosion and sedimentation during construction.
For more information about these trainings and exams, visit michigan.gov/soil erosion. Training and exams are administered throughout the state. District contact information may be found on the website. To register for training or an exam, call the DEQ district staff person in the location you wish to attend.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video has assisted you in choosing the training that is most appropriate for your goals. We appreciate the steps you take to help protect the water quality of our state.